That's like... Oh my god.
I can't believe this. I can't believe this is actually.
See, like, I don't.
This is the best night of my life.
God bless.
Have you
thought about
I
that?
feel safe knowing that my Link amiibo is watching over me in the night.
I feel safe knowing I can say choo choo choo.
Hi, Noah.
No, because you don't have him friended.
I don't know. I can friend him. He's a recent player.
Chris, I liked your video.
Did you?
Wait,
Yeah.
that's a guy?
Thanks, buddy.
Yeah, that's rude.
Did you not hear me say Noah?
We both said Noah.
Did you?
Yeah, I said
Yeah.
hey Noah, and then Chris was like, hey Noah. Shut the fuck up, guys.
Yeah, but I've
Yeah,
also
sounds-
turned the
sounds
gain, like, incredibly down.
Well, yeah, that's why. Gain just takes everything that's going through it and boosts it.
Yeah, which was something I didn't realize until you yelled at me in the stream and was like, can you shut the fuck up?
Dude, Dookie loves me.
Oh my god, you're like his favorite. He never
That-
shuts up
that's
about
not
you.
true.
He's like, when
That-
will
that's
Alice
not
come
true.
back from the war?
The war.
You guys are never on, so I can never come back from the war.
I'm like always
Come
on.
back.
What do you mean we're never on?
Not in
We're
this
always
Discord.
on.
What?
Hello?
Yeah, but I'm too scared to like ping everybody and be like, hey, get on, play with me.
You should
Dude,
do that.
ask me any fucking time as long as I'm
Yeah.
home.
Ask me too.
Like literally, like me and Chris are home like all day.
Yeah, and unless I'm with Isabel, I don't do shit anyways, so...
It's so
It's
funny, like
It's
literally.
getting less and less funny every time we hear it.
Well, you're the one that's probably heard it the
Yeah.
most, to be honest.
Yeah, that's
We're
true.
gonna hit me another.
Chris, how many times have you told them this story? Goddamn.
I tell it to, like, different
4.
people.
4, 5, 6 times, maybe.
I don't just tell it to, like,
Yeah,
the same people 4 times. It's a matter that someone else... No, it's a matter that someone else joins.
Detected,
I'll explain it to them,
detected,
and then the other person is still just in
Huntress.
the Discord.
Chris, no one likes you apparently.
Yeah, no one does.
Yeah, hi. She hit a cross map snipe, so I'm kind of tilted.
Holy shit, there was a hook right there? Fuck, dude.
Poker.
So Nate the Great, what are you doing?
Zelda.
Which Zelda?
What the f- I'm stuck. I am...
Zelda. Oh,
I only suck dick on the weekends.
That is not the way.
Get up. Borrow time. Let's go.
Owie.
Chris? Not Chris. Nate, you're ugly.
That's mean.
It is
But is
mean.
it true? But is it true though?
It
I
is.
mean, I said can confirm.
Dude, I've never seen Nate before.
Nate, you're handsome.
Wait
and
a
you
minute,
know
wait
it.
a minute, wait a minute, wait a minute, wait a
We
minute.
went to the same high school.
Yearbook? Hold up, I'll be back.
Oh Christ, no! Because there was one year where I did the whole hair slick back thing.
One year where I did the whole sleep. Yeah, I literally don't care what you have to say.
I don't know what he is, but he's already my next favorite person.
Oh shit, she's
I
trying to
literally
tomahawk
said
me.
Can confirm, so
Is this it?
He's
I don't know
looking.
what year are you looking at.
Oh, that's definitely not it.
Hello, things in the blow up.
Peekaboo.
Oh shit, you scared me.
Ah,
Why'd I
love
just
you.
now get reunited points if I already took you off the hook?
the Master Cycle Zero is out of fuel.
Bye bye.
It doesn't make any sense.
Damn. I juked her. Owie. She hit me. She hit me, boy. She hit me.
She done literally hit you.
I think I'm having another nosebleed.
Another?
When
yeah,
did you have a
my
first?
third one.
Why?
When I was playing with snakes in them, I got a nosebleed when I sneezed, and my shirt got really bloody.
Ooh.
I coughed, and I had a bloody nose, and then I think right now I'm having one.
Are these all signs of an aneurysm?
That's kind of hot. Oh, what?
No. Wait, what? Wait, what?
Are you laughing about the aneurysm joke or that it's
Can't believe
hot?
you'd say that, Chris. Disgusting.
Both.
You make a joke about aneurysms.
Like,
I had an aneurysm.
I thought you were
Did
talking
you
about-
survive?
Like, I have a nosebleed. That's hot.
I mean, did I survive? I don't know. I would have been able to find you immediately.
I'm being camped.
Probably.
I
Yeah,
feel
it's
like
because both me and Jake Park are here.
Nate, I feel like you were an edgy kid.
No, I was.
All right, Red, come on, let's
Wasn't
go.
We're not
everyone at one
No,
point?
I was not like I was.
Come on,
Never,
let's
I
go.
was never like a Steen or emo kid.
No, he was
Oh,
not.
Ew, you had it worse. Oh.
Oh, I got fucking shot down.
Dude, you know what I just found? I have a launch pad. You think I could play games with a launch pad?
Maybe. You try.
Go, Red, go.
Dude, I'll
Go,
hook
Red,
up
go.
Dead by Daylight to
Red,
a launch
go.
pad.
Red, go. Red!
I have dead hard.
This thing's got 64 buttons. What can I program Dead by Daylight with?
Or G.
I mean, I'm pretty sure a keyboard has less than 64 buttons. Regular keyboard.
Yeah, but like
Well,
keyboard
start
has, like,
counting.
that layout. Like this is like,
Hey, rank 13.
and I mean without using a mouse. Like I mean like integrating
Oh,
the
yeah.
looking and moving all into this thing.
Yeah, that would be
Yeah, good luck with
pretty
that.
hard. Yeah.
Dude, if somebody can beat Dark Souls with a pair of Diddy Kong bongo drums,
I'm sorry, what?
Did they actually?
yeah,
That sounds amazing.
That sounds impossible.
it was like
I
a
like
Donkey
it.
Kong bongo beat game, and somebody hooked it up to Dark Souls.
Yeah, it
You
was
can-
for the GameCube.
Yeah,
I'm pretty sure you can play Skyrim with a Guitar Hero guitar.
No, I
Yeah.
said he's meh. Like he's kind of iffy. Like he's average.
That is gross.
yeah, he doesn't deserve this dick.
Definitely not this dick.
I'll pass on him.
I'm watching a tampon commercial.
How
on
about the
Twitch,
guy in the Vine? What about him?
He's
No, it's like
probably
it's like
if he's on Vine, that's an instant turn off.
that's true.
Sorry.
No, I understand. It's okay.
I know all of the Vine people.
Yeah, especially the men.
All Red does is watch Vine.
Actually, you're not wrong.
How you can do that when Vine's turned off?
Compilations.
On YouTube.
Garbage.
Also, apparently there's some new app called, like, Cheese or whatever that's trying to
Instagram.
recreate Vine.
Jeez, why did they shut down
Even
Vine
though-
again?
Aren't they making Vine too?
Because
I heard
Twitter
about
took
that.
over it and they weren't getting enough funding or something. Who cares?
I mean,
Vine wasn't making money.
Yeah,
I mean,
but Musically was, and I'm still kind of shocked about that.
I mean
Kind of
that's
Musically.
more.
Musically is
I
dumb.
guess-
Musically, I hate when people use Snapchat for basically Musically. It makes me want to kill myself.
How does one even?
They just
Like-
sing.
You just basically
yeah.
turn on a song and then just lip sync.
And then you act like you're all cute and stuff. You're like, let
Yeah.
me stick my tongue out.
Yeah.
I'm the singer. I make it Azalea.
Sounds like Chris.
Dog, I sing legit, though.
I
Sounds like
feel
Chris.
like
Still sounds like Chris.
You want to hear something from my new mixtape? Ooh!
Wow.
I can't
Wow.
do it. Stop.
No.
love you, bitch.
And I ain't even gonna stop loving you, bitch.
Truly a masterpiece.
What happened? I'm confused.
Fucking what? What? Huh?
Hmm?
Hello?
This guy is all like, oh, I'm gonna write you a song. It's called Oh My God, Spider. And the girl's like, oh, it's so romantic. And he strings it once. It's like, oh my God, Spider. I don't know why I thought of
Oh.
that.
What just happened?
Did you
I
ever?
don't know.
Wait,
I'm
hang
kind
on.
of tired.
Did you ever see the one Vine where he was like, oh, his next song?
Keep talking, Chris. What was that?
You're welcome. I'm pretty sure that was Chris.
That was me.
Can you do that again?
Yeah,
That
do
was
that again.
Really? Hold on, I
Like-
might know.
It was like
I
It
might,
really-
sounded like a bass boost.
Yeah, it was like really ear rapey.
hold on, I gotta hide in the locker
I
room.
don't even know what
Ready?
you did. It's just all of a sudden just.
I sniffed my mic. Okay.
Holy shit, Red, you scared the fuck out of me. I didn't realize you were in that locker.
I'm sorry, I think I smell food.
And Noah's squealing.
I can taste my phlegm now. Oh well.
It's quality. I can
Dude, I
taste
could
my
get some
phlegm.
slime. I can get some.
Oh, it's the nurse. Hi. Jesus Christ.
You just made me smell up phlegm on my desk.
Oh. Wait, Red, what are you doing?
She's doing the
I'm
thing I did
literally-
before.
You know what I'm doing? I'm literally taking my mic and I put it up to my nose and I just snap.
Nate, I did this the other day, remember?
I
And you
know,
guys
I know.
yelled at
But
me.
it's me, so it's funnier.
No, but like, what kind of mic do you
Just
have?
fucking burp.
I don't know.
Like, do you have a headset mic?
Yeah.
Dude, I'm actually crying.
Let me help you out. I can't. I'm giggling too much.
Dude, I'm gonna wake up my fucking mom, dude.
Oh, fuck.
I'm professional.
Hi, Red. Goodbye, Red.
Hi.
Oh, that was cancer, Chris.
I tried.
It just.
Your mic cancels it. You have a nice mic now, so it doesn't let you do that kind of stuff.
I
Does it
stunned the
actually?
nurse. Hello.
I stunned her too. She's pretty easy.
She doesn't know how to blink.
She also has 300 ping.
Chris, no puff guard.
What?
No puff guard.
Stop
You want it off?
laughing.
Yeah, and then do the thing.
Oh, I went behind it.
Wait, do the thing.
I'm still crying.
Do the thing!
Oh, it hurts my throat. I can't.
Do the thing.
Do the thing.
Fucking read.
I'm done.
It's just. I'm done.
Did I hear do the thing?
Dude, this is how I have another aneurysm, dude. I'm gonna fucking pass out.
Did you really ever have an aneurysm, Nate? Or
No, are you
Noah?
kidding? I'm a healthy young boy.
I don't believe you.
So healthy that I gained 20 pounds in the past 2 weeks.
I'm trying not to throw up so bad.
Then don't cough so fucking hard.
But it's funny.
I think that helps. That helps
Uh,
coughing.
sick
I'm
Not
trying to
really
figure
bad.
out how she does that one thing.
Wait, that thing.
Hello, today I shall show you how to do the thing.
I really can't get this lemon in my throat.
Red, stop being dead. So stop being dead. So then thanatophobia is
Dude,
not
I'm
a
gonna
thing.
have to leave the Discord if I do.
Sorry, I'll stop. I'll actually stop. Like, I'll stop.
I just don't know how she does it.
I'll record a video. I'll do it.
Oh shit! I found the hatch.
I'm
Is she
getting
camping you?
Yeah, she's angry with
What
me.
a bitch!
What a bot. I might smell her.
Give her a good old sniff. Oh my god! Why was that really good though?
Yeah, I don't know. I don't really like. I don't know.
So what'd you guys do last night? I left and someone sniffing
gotta
their
breathe.
mic.
Dude, my body can't.
Borrow time, Red. Get out of here.
Where? I don't know.
Fuck if I know.
Shut up, Nate.
Turn right.
You can't do it.
I'm not trying to.
Turn right.
I'm just inhaling.
Yeah, go straight. Go straight. Nope. Go back.
What?
I'm not gonna make it. I don't know where it is.
Go straight. You're going right to it.
I found it. No, I was.
Oh
I just
shit.
watched a video. I recorded a video of her making that sound. Now I'm still fucking laughing. It's
Wait,
on
I
my
have
computer.
Unbreakable. Just keep her off me.
We'll try to. But we'll also.
Do I have to do the thing? Ow.
You gotta do
I'm sorry.
The thing where it's like, oh my way, oh.
Oh
And then,
my
like-
OMO.
Shindo.
Oh my god!
No, you have to say Nani and then do that. Nani.
Oh. Wait, somebody else say it. 'cause I can't.
Alright, Chris, do the first.
Oh my OMO. Shinderu.
I'm waiting.
I'm fucking burping. What's happening?
Do it again. Do it.
Ah, fuck. Go, Red, go. Come on.
Chris, alright, dude, alright, hold on. Are you ready to do it, Red?
In a second.
This is gonna be great. I really hope this is as good as I hope it is.
I have like tear rags.
Come on, Chris, come on.
I'm coming.
Oh,
Coming.
did you hear the mic quality go down? Wait, whoever.
Oh,
wait,
fuck.
Chris, do you have admin privileges?
Yes.
You should turn the fucking bitrate of the chat down.
How does that work? What does that do?
Do you not know what that means?
No.
If you turn the bitrate all the way down, it basically
Fuck,
sounds
fuck,
like
fuck,
we're
fuck, fuck!
talking-
No! Come on, come on, come on!
It sounds like we're talking on Modern Warfare 2 on Xbox
No!
360.
Red, don't leave me! Red, do not leave me!
Okay.
So wait, you mean it'll sound like we're like chief commanders and whatnot?
Alright.
Yeah, it sounds
Do
awful.
it again.
Alright. So Chris, you gotta say the first part, and then I'll say the nani, and then Fred, you gotta do
Okay.
it.
Omae wa mo shinderu.
Nani?
How? How?
Oh, Red, she missed.
What?
Go. Leave me.
No,
leave
no,
me,
no.
leave
Like,
me,
Ren, you have to like
leave me.
inhale, like inhale.
Do you
really
still
hard.
have,
I'm gonna test it by myself.
do you still have Unbreakable, Red?
Yeah,
Red.
yeah,
Cause,
What are
oh,
you doing,
fuck.
Noah? It just sounds like you're aggressively rubbing your microphone.
Shit. I, real talk, don't think I'll be able to get you, Red.
Dude, I'm actually gonna piss myself. I'm actually gonna
Shit.
fucking.
Fuck.
Wait, I'm gonna put it on my throat. It sounds really weird.
The fact that you just naturally said, I'm gonna put it down my throat, and nobody acknowledged it.
Yes.
Just fucking squeeze your left thumb.
Wait, stop telling everyone the trick. No.
What happens if I take like a paintbrush and I just.
Me too.
How does that sound?
It sounds very scratchy. It doesn't sound like you're very